Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Jamaica Attractions No Limit. And today we are featuring the Macau Gaming Lounge, Bar and Restaurant. It is located at 28 Lindsay Crescent, Dunrabin, Kingston 10. Traveling from Constant Spring Road towards Spanish Town along Dunrabin Road, it would be on the right side. And traveling on Dunrabin Road from Spanish Town direction, it would be on the left of that roadway. The Macau Gaming Lounge, Bar and Restaurant is one of Kingston's exquisite restaurants. The bar and restaurant is located at the second floor of the building, and the gaming lounge is located on the first floor. They serve a wide variety of meal from lobster to loaded fries, and their menu is now online. So this square looking thing that you see, it has a barcode on it, so you would have to use a valid barcode reader on your device to access the menu if you wish. I was unable to access the menu online as I did not have a barcode reader on my cell phone. However, this professional customer service representative she came with a tablet looking device, was able to look at the menu on the device that she had, and I was able to place my order there. One of the things which is fascinating about this area is that it is open. It has a outdoor concept, so you get a lot of natural breeze, and it's a very nice chilling area. As mentioned earlier, they have a bar with various liquor items where you can choose your favorite one. Jaja, I don't know if we can have so much food. What this me order, man? I ordered loaded fries. Food. I'm gonna try it off still. I'm gonna try it off it. This is delicious. This is rather delicious. I was unable to eat off all this food. As a matter of fact, I didn't even reach at half, so I had to get a box so I can carry the rest of it home. The experience here was rather great, and without a doubt I am going to visit here again. So stay tuned with us as we continue to tour and explore all attractions in Jamaica. But before I leave, I just want to thank everyone who has subscribed to our channel. I am so appreciative, and please, some of you are not hitting the bell, the notification bell, so you are not getting notified when I have posted new videos. So please remember to hit the notification bell so you can get weekly notification when I post